Okay, about 8 o'clock Tuesday the 29th. It's raining pretty good. And I just had some tea and Pop-Tarts. It was actually really nice to have the shelter to myself, but I was quite surprised that no one showed up. So I'm going to pack up soon, waterproof everything, put everything in plastic bags, and head out north. So I'm going to have to put on, I hung up my clothes last night. I don't know if you could see them, but they dried a little bit, but they're still pretty wet. So I got to put on the wet clothes so I can keep my other clothes dry in my pack. And the next week looks tough. It's literally, I think, till next Tuesday. Every day shows rain, and it's going to get colder. Highs in the mid-50s and lows in the mid-40s. So, yep. Making my way up the last little bit of Bromley, up the ski slope. Okay, top of Bromley. I went up a green run. No view, obviously, today. Top of the chairlift. And yep, that way to the long trail and Appalachian Trail. Well, this is the first gravel on the trail. Well, looky here. My first trail magic I've come across. Gallons and gallons of water. Pretty much all of them are empty except for, like, I think there's about one of them's half full. So someone left these out here for hikers because, yeah, there actually hasn't been a water source in a while, and I don't know when the next one is. So I will fill up. Thank you to whoever did this. Continuing on up Thru Peak. Okay, made it up Thru Peak. And we got a view too. A little bit, the clouds are a little bit less. Cool. Alright guys, we're at the Thru Peak Shelter. This was built in 1935. There's a nice river down there. Okay, just left the Thru Peak Shelter. That thing was built in 1935. Took a break, ate some lunch, rested up, and now I'm off. What a nice lake this is. Yeah, I'm just noticing the colors on the trees now. Kind of like for the first time. If it was summer, I would definitely be swimming in here. This heads up to Baker's Peak. This is gonna be a little bit slippery today. Heading up all these rocks. So I just stopped in real quick at the Lost Pond shelter and had some water, talked to a couple guys, and decided to go on to the next shelter. It's 6 o'clock, but the next shelter is only 1.7 miles. And
This is really easy terrain here, so I'd probably do that fairly quick. Might have to throw on my headlamp, we'll see. Okay, I'm almost at the shelter, I think. Check out this cool bridge.